Hello, welcome back to FLS Sport YouTube channel. So we are at Bangkok Southern Terminal Station, and it has a lot of night market here that we can explore. So behind us it has a transformer. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out the good content about traveling tips in each place. If you want to go to Bangkok Southern Bus Terminal, you can take a 20-minute to 30-minute drive there by grab car or taxi from Patunam area or central Bangkok. From there, take a short 3-minute walk to reach the night market right beside the bus terminal. If you want to come here by public transportation, you have to go to BTS SkyTrain to Victory Monument BTS station. From Victory Monument, you can take van to Bangkok bus or taxi.
Yes. Not same. Different. Yes. So.
โอเคไหมเอาน้ำปลาหวานอะไรเพิ่มไหมพี่
Sugar and salt. Not spicy. Not spicy.
ไม่เปรี้ยวเนี่ยครับผมกำลังกรอบนะพี่พอดีที่หนวด
What's your thought? Very.
เดี๋ยวผมไม่ชิม
You right? You right?
ไม่สุกพี่แก้วขมิ้นเป็นมะม่วงแก้วนี่มันจะเหลืองนั่นจะกรอบแบบนี้เลยแล้วแต่ที่เลย
From cherries and sausages from Chiang Mai to sticky milk tea, the usual night market fare is slightly different here. For starters, it truly has some more local flavors as opposed to the usual hipster Instagrammable fare at the more touristy night markets.
Don't hesitate, hold me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate, hold me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
The price of clothes here is surprisingly cheap, from 60 baht t-shirts to 160 baht jeans.
saw me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic bug.
Thank you for watching for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video to your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.